If you really love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Time spent among trees is never wasted time. I have a therapist. Her name is Nature. Good day everyone. As you all know, I love nature so much, as this is my way of coping up with stress and dealing with homesick. Being with Mother Nature relieves sadness and gives me energy to go on. Today, I will do my yoga, meditation, and take a nature walk at Singapore's beautiful Macritchie Reservoir. So come on, let's discover Macritchie. Take a quiet walk with Mother Nature. It will nurture your mind, body, and soul.
I've been wandering in the dark with a cynical, faithless heart. I've been watching the kings and queens caught up in queens and kings of everything.